Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video we are going to set up our project, and first of all we will open the Unity Hub. We will go to new, and then you can create a new project with 2019.4 version or any other version you have on your system, and we will name it here. I will just name it Animations in Unity. You can name your project whatever you want, and we will just click on create, and it will start creating our project. After creating the project, I will import some assets. One asset is industrial area, which I will import for the environment. You can definitely download it from our blogspot website, and I will mention the link in the descriptions. And also you can I will add some animations, actually assets and mixamo animations. I have downloaded these zombie animations, so we will add these zombie animations in our project. You can download these animations from mixamo.com website free of cost, and also you can download some characters as well from mixamo website if you want to do so. And also I have some characters. I will just import some characters for our animation, and then that's it. These are the assets which we need for our animations, hopefully. And in next video we'll start creating and start learning the timeline.